Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn simple and useful sentences about real-life topics. I live in a small house. 2. My father goes to work every day. My mother cooks tasty food. We watch TV together. My sister is in school. I go to school at 8 o'clock. We read books in the library. The teacher is writing on the board. I like to do homework. Students are sitting in the classroom. It is raining today. The sun is very bright. The weather is cool and nice. I use an umbrella when it rains. It is hot in summer. I want to buy a new dress. She is shopping in the market. We need to buy vegetables. He has a red bag. They are looking at the toys. Today we learned how to use English in everyday life. At home, at school, in the market, and about the weather. Like, share, and subscribe for more learning videos.